Say hi. Lily. Come this way, doctor. Leave my phone alone, please. Lily, yes, sis. This baby is always and forever on my case. I don't know why, but Hey. No, don't touch my phone, please. Please. My hair is that afro that will make your life a living nightmare. I'm trying to do some few hairstyles. I'm trying to do a style that's gonna allow me to also wear some few wigs. But oh my god, this is not. This does not look so great. Have you ever had like the pleasure of conversing with the baby? Yeah. Like I've had that pleasure. I'm having that pleasure, and it is not a pleasure at all. Because tell me, why is my daughter being all naughty? I think I need to do something about this hair, else it's gonna get out of control. I'm not gonna be able to control it. Lily, do you mind sitting down? Would you ever give me that honor of you just sitting down and relaxing? Ooh. I'm afraid to even shed a little tear because this is so painful. I didn't do anything beforehand to the hair. I did not put any oil, no water, nothing. Where is mommy? Where is mommy? I love. Wi-Fi disconnected because nandala yamin no laboratory nga phala man. This is all my daughter's doing. She is I love. You know, my daughter is with me. I'm trying to do my hair, trying to do a productive hairstyle. I don't want to braid my hair this year. Like, I'm so close to the year ending, and yeah. So my daughter is with me. I'm trying to braid the hair. My daughter is with me. She is being insanely naughty. She's hitting the phone. Lily, I'm not even laughing. I'm not laughing with you. And you're not even cute. Hi. My hair suffered so much. So much. The edges, they suffered, and I don't know why. Because I didn't do any extreme hairstyles. So if you are regular, you've seen me in cornrows. I like cornrows, protective hairstyle done by my natural hair. It's my daughter who's doing this to the phone. It's not me. She is really busy. So I'm trying to do a hairstyle that's gonna allow me to wear my wigs. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this because my hair, if you're somebody who lives with afro, you know how an afro behaves. My afro is so painful. It is very painful, guys. Like, oof, even thinking about it is giving me a headache. Look at the other parts. See this? Like, oof, and it's painful. On top of that, it's really painful. But I'm so tired with just having this hair loose and stuff like that. Just say hi, Lily. Just say hi. Hmm? Just say hi. I am scared of showing Lily on camera because YouTube lately have not been very kind. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello, Lily. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Ada. Hello. Hello. No, no, I didn't say touch the phone. I said say hello. Say hi. I just say hello. What the hell? What's happening with this? I did not dress her today. Somebody did, and I don't know what you look fine, baby girl. So yeah, one is down. I'm thinking of calling my sister. Where is Daddy? Where is Mommy? Reading day. I love you. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this line because oh my god, you know, I want to scream from the top of my lungs. I want to scream, guys. It's summer this side of the world, né? And I've been so busy with the field. We've been so busy. I haven't had time for pretty much other stuff. The other stuff is YouTube, obviously. Oh, you. If I could get up and dance a little bit, I would. I would because why is this so painful? Mm, this is why I don't like afro. Afro hair is problematic. It's a problem, my friends. It's a problem. Ish, I just heard that we are having this ShopRite, ne? We have this ShopRite. We're having this ShopRite sort of happiness I am feeling currently. The amount of happiness I'm feeling. Sorry, Lily. I'm feeling currently is. Oh, I like window shopping on my apps, obviously, because I don't like going to town and stuff like that. I am somebody who don't like to travel a lot. I've been tempted, and no, again, if you're South African, you know how December is. People want to always go out. They want to have fun and stuff. I've been tempted by so many people to go out and have fun, and I have had to decline because I am not the fun type of person who I don't like going out like that. I like to keep indoors or stay at home uh, with my kids. I don't like someone raising my kids for me. It's not on. That is not. That's not me. And I'm not gonna lie about that one. So yeah, this new surprise you save is opening up near where I'm staying, and I am here for it, guys. I am like here for it. I'm gonna be seen. I think I'm going. It's opening tomorrow, isn't it? Oh no, the day after tomorrow. It's opening um, on Wednesday. They were passing by through with the papers. So, am I going? I am. Whew. It's painful. No! I was trying to feed her butter the other time, just before this, and then she was refusing. Lily, hey, my girl, relax. Please, please, relax. Let's see the conversation I have, ne? No, let's have a conversation with Lily. I said no. Lily, no. Lily, no. Say no. Mm-mm. When was the last time you guys saw Lily? If you're regular here. Like, was she still not just a little baby? She grew. Baby girl grew overnight, and I am like, and for the past month, my girl was sick. She was sick like crazy. What do you mean? I know what I'm gonna. No, I just knew it. I knew what I was going to be asked. No, Steve. Kodora said you watching. You got to say that. Ish. Hey, so nakaba too. Hey. You got the armor. Nah, you got to say. So my son is here. He's playing outside with my other brother's child, right? They have those kids motorbike, or whatever you call them. So they're coming back to request me to take off their motorbikes. I just know they're gonna make a lot of noise. I just know, and I'm not in the mood. And I just know the adults are gonna want in. They're gonna want to climb the motorbikes. And you know those motorbikes, they're not meant for adults or older kids. Really no guy? Eh. Ngeke. Yanombera any bise. Nandi busy. Where is baby? Where is baby? I love you. Where is mommy? Where is mommy? I love. Whew. You know, this other day being yesterday, I was reading this very. I feel like I feel like it was an emotional story. Somebody wrote to this other group. This person was asking for advice. So, like, this is very much common in African homes. Let's talk about this one. We're gonna talk about it because I feel like yeah, we're doing catch up, right? So she was raised in an African home, right? She was raised by her grandmother. So as she was raised by her grandmother was somebody who used to work, but by now she's somebody who was a pensioner. So obviously she was getting pension money and stuff like that. And this daughter, she is staying with the grandmother. Her mother had later on remarried somebody and left her behind with the grandmother. And then she also has other kids. She doesn't care about her child, the one that she left with her own mother, right? So they stay in a family house. This story is a South African house. It's a South African story. I'm guessing it's happening in Eastern Cape or Western Cape. So this person, she says, this the grandmother started getting sick. Her grandmother can afford to hire a health professional to take care of her. But the granddaughter decided, no, I'd rather be here for my grandmother, I'd rather take care of her instead of letting a stranger take care of my grandmother. And obviously the grandmother is gonna need her. So she was forced to lie to her grandmother. Last year she was doing her grade 12. So this year she was supposed to have went to university. She got accepted at a good university, but because of the grandmother declining help, she lied. She lied to the grandmother and she told her that no, I was not accepted, because she knew that if the grandmother knew that she was accepted, she wouldn't have allowed her to stay behind and take care of her. So she takes care of her grandmother the whole of this year, and I believe a few, if not a few weeks back, the grandmother passes away. Right now, this is where everything is coming crashing down. There are conflicts, death threats, and crazy things. So apparently, the house that they were staying in, it's a double story. But the grandmother had contributed to the house before it was a double story, and then her other kids, how probably all her kids contributed to building the house, renovating it, and making it into a double story. So basically, making this house a family house. Then she also had a house back in the villages, with livestock, whatever. But because of her declining health, she knew that she couldn't take care of the property and stuff like that. So she sold the house. After the grandmother passes away, Mogel is learning that she is the sole beneficiary of every single property her grandmother owned. Like all the properties, including the family house. She is the sole beneficiary. The life covers, some are amounting to 2 millions, some are more than that. Everything. The money that she still had left to the grandchild, to her. So now her aunts, her uncles, even her mother, they are back. And they're saying, we contributed to this house. We need the house. You need to sign the title deed back to us. We need it. The money that her grandmother left her, they're saying we also need that money.